Good day, sir. This is my good day, sir. I am Janan Empanan. Today, I'm going to present my web-based system. So, this system is designed to help easily create an account, store the personal information, and automatically generate a resume. So, in just few clicks, instead of manually formatting a resume, this platform simplifies the process by organizing user data into a clean and structured layout. In this video, I will walk you through how the system works, its key features, and different modules including the application. So let's my so this is the login. So this is a web application designed for user management and automated. Andito na din pagka-login mo lalabas ang dashboard. So its main goal is allow users to register, store their personal data, and ultimately format the information into a professional-looking resume. So, before accessing the dashboard, user must create an account like here. I create account. This the system uses PHP password hashing, which ensure that passwords are secure and cannot be directly read from database. So, meron na akong account. So, once we log in, the system tracks the user session. Even if the page refreshes, the user remains logged in until click log out. In the sidebar, andito yung mga home, about, contact, and sample output and settings. The content changes without reloading the entire page. This is done using URL parameters. Sa may page about my code to determine which page to display. All the information entered by the user, such as name, school, experience, and out. So, balik tayo sa may login. Log and register pages. This is where the user starts. It collects full name. This is the register. It collects the full name, email, and contact, and email address, and the password to create an account. So, let's log in an account already. Let's log in. So, once you log in, lalabas ang dashboard. This is the main welcome page. It shows the account status active, whether the data is encrypted, and if the service is online, it provides an overview of the system features. The about and the let's read the about system. About system. The section shows the tech stack, Use such as PHP, MSQL, CSS3 plus Morphsen, Switch Alert, and Font Fusion. It's also explained the security features like protections against SQL injection. So next is the on contact my contact information. This is the developer profile page. It displays the email, phone number, and social media links for communication. Next is our sample output ratio. Ito yung ratio mo. This is the core features of the system. It is automatically organizes all user data into a clean resume format. It includes personal background, education attainment, and work experience immersion, skills and qualifications, and character references. And let's go in the settings. In the settings, user can manage their account when clicking log out and information model appears to prevent accidental logout. Babalik tayo sa registration. Once we log out, please babalik tayo sa login, and once we register other name. Okay. Make sure the contact number is exact as 11 digit. So, as you can see, the name of there is Naibhan. So, that's how works the register information. Initially. So, once we log out, this is babalik yun siya sa login. So, that's all. Thank you. So, this is so let's see this one. This is my yes, dashboard. PHP to connect the database. And this is login, PHP, log out, register. So this system works very smart. This system is easy is friendly user. So instead of manually creating resume and MS Word, users simply input their details and the system automatically organizes and designs the resume, making the process faster, easier, and more secure. So this is how we use this. So that's all. Thank you.